Figuring out what to feed your dog usually forces you into this brutal compromise. Do you want a legitimately healthy diet, or do you want zero prep time? Now, I've been feeding my dog Maggie FreshPet lately just to see if it's possible to actually get both. It's fresh, refrigerated meat and veggies, which is miles ahead of whatever sludge you can find in standard cans. See, the brand leads very hard into this pet-loving humans marketing. At the end of the day, you aren't paying for the carbon footprint, you're paying to fuel your dog. So let's see if the health benefits are visibly worth it.
A quick heads up, I have put affiliate links in the description for everything we're covering. If you use them, I do earn a commission at no extra cost to you, which helps support the channel.
Now, the first thing I noticed was just how many types of food they actually have. See, I always thought FreshPet was just the stuff in the fridge at PetSmart, but there's actually way more to it. There's the main FreshPet line, then there's Vital, Nature's Fresh, Homestyle Creations, even Treats. And all of it is just slightly different depending on what your own dog needs. Personally, I just stuck with FreshPet and Vital because they're the easiest to find. They both use real meat. It's chicken, it's beef, it's salmon, it's nothing filler. Maggie's getting a little older now. It's kind of scaring me, to be honest. So I wanted to start with one of the Vital recipes with joint support built in. Figured it couldn't hurt. Honestly, the food itself, it's so easy. You open the bag, you scoop it in the bowl, and you're done. There's no heating it up, there's no mixing in anything. It also doesn't smell too terrible, which really helps. Obviously, it's not something that you'd eat for yourself, but it is so much better than canned stuff. And Maggie, oh boy, she went for it immediately, which just never happens these days. Usually, she'll sniff it, she'll walk away, she might come back later. This time she actually wanted the food. It was so nice. Personally, I went with the full plan, their version of a subscription, so it's all FreshPet. I went through their quiz online. It asks about your dog's size, their activity level, their health goals, you know, that kind of thing. Now, Maggie weighs around 40 pounds. She's still pretty active, which is amazing, and thankfully at a healthy weight. So they gave me a couple of recipe options based explicitly on that. Now, the pricing does come out to around a few dollars a day. Obviously, that varies depending on the recipe. The shredded chicken was $3.66. The multi-protein mix, just a little under that. And the beef and chicken option was a little cheaper still. The priciest one, beef, turkey, and lamb, was $4.15 a day. With the first order discount, I paid a little under, I think, $53 for a 2-week supply. That's 9 bags, that's free shipping. And at first, yeah, it felt like a lot, right? But once I actually started using it, the value made more sense. I wasn't throwing food away. She was actually excited to eat, and I didn't have to prep or cook anything. It's not budget dog food, not by a long shot, but for what it is and how Maggie responded, it honestly felt pretty fair. See, Maggie's always been kind of a picky eater, right? Some days she'd finish her bowl, other days she'd just stare at it and walk away. Once I switched her to FreshPet, that routine completely stopped. She actually waits by the fridge now, right around mealtime, and she'll finish everything without me pushing her at all. Plus, her digestion is actually a lot more even, more level. I didn't expect to notice a change there, but her feces, poops, whatever you want to call it, they got more consistent, easier to pick up. And she hasn't had any of the random stomach issues that unfortunately she used to get all the time. I do think the recipe I picked had some probiotics in it. That might be the trick. Either way, it's been better. She's also been a little bit more engaged lately. She's not a puppy anymore, but she has been more playful, more alert. She seems genuinely more comfortable in general with herself. Her coat even started looking a little bit shinier after a couple of weeks. That I wasn't expecting at all. She just felt better. So that really was the main takeaway here. She was eating better, her stomach was rock solid, she seemed more comfortable in her own skin, right? And honestly, that's all I could ever hope for. If you want to try FreshPet for yourself, be sure to check them out using the affiliate link in the description. It doesn't cost you anything extra, and we earn a small commission on it. It really helps out the channel. Now, one of the things that made me feel better about giving this to Maggie was how the food's actually made. You can tell it's not just marketing. There's a real difference here in how it looks, how it smells, and how it's handled. FreshPet keeps everything refrigerated from start to finish. It's cooked with steam at a lower temperature than most dog food, which helps keep the texture soft and the moisture in. That's probably why Maggie's been drinking less water lately. There's just more hydration built into the meal itself. And when you look at the food, it actually looks like food. You can see the veggies in it. The meat's not some weird gray paste or powder. This is real meat with vegetables and fruit for fiber and nutrients. And they prep everything in certified kitchens, and they run a bunch of safety tests on every single batch. Now, I didn't dig into the science side, that's not my bag, but it is nice knowing that they're registered with the FDA and follow legit food safety standards. Basically, it gave me more confidence that I knew exactly what I was giving her. As far as where to pick this stuff up, I started with just grabbing a few bags from the fridge at PetSmart. Honestly, just wanted to see if she'd even eat it. But once I saw that she liked it, I did look into their delivery option. This ain't something I'd usually do, but they do have a quick quiz where you put in your dog's info and it'll recommend a feeding plan. I already knew I wanted to stick with the full plan, so that part was easy. The box showed up frozen solid, packed with ice packs. I threw it in the fridge, used the scooper they sent. That was pretty much it. There was nothing to figure out here. The best part, not having to run back to the store. I didn't have to think about, do I have enough food left, or wonder, do they have the flavor that Maggie likes? It came on time, I knew what to expect. So it doesn't feel like a big switch, it just makes one part of your day simpler. And by the end of the first few weeks, I really wasn't thinking about it at all. Maggie was eating without any real fuss, her stomach was fine, she just seemed more comfortable day to day. That was all I really wanted out of this. And on my side, it didn't add any extra work. Whether I grabbed it from the fridge at the store or used the delivery plan, it fit into our routine. Now, look, I know fresh food is not cheap, but if your dog's been picky, or if you've had a hard time finding something that they'll actually stick with, this might be seriously worth trying. If you're thinking of going for it, I've got that affiliate link in the description and in the comments. Using it does earn us a commission and it helps the channel. Also, if you're interested in working with us or sponsoring a future video, you can reach out using the email down in the description. If you found this video helpful, a thumbs up is always appreciated. And if you've got any questions or you're looking into fresh food yourself, throw them down in the comments. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.